Welcome back to Ride Reviews, the place where we bring you the hottest and boldest rides from around the world. Today we're diving into something truly breathtaking, the all-new next-generation 2026 BMW M8. This isn't just a refresh, this is a revolution, bigger, bolder, sleeker, and engineered to dominate both the road and the track. BMW has pulled out all the stops to make sure this flagship coupe and convertible stand tall as the king of midsize performance. The exterior is sharper than ever, with a complete bold BB design that redefines what a luxury performance car should look like. Aerodynamics are refined to perfection, with a wider stance, aggressive grille, and laser headlights that blend futuristic styling with pure performance DNA. New color options add more personality, from deep metallic blues to stealthy matte blacks, giving owners a sense of exclusivity like never before. Under the hood, the 2026 M8 is flat-out illegal fast, powered by a reworked 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 delivering insane horsepower that pushes well beyond 650, paired with an advanced 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission. The acceleration is mind-bending, hitting 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds with smooth yet brutal precision. BMW's xDrive system ensures grip, balance, and control whether you're carving corners or blasting down the highway. Step inside and you're welcomed by a sophisticated interior that feels like stepping into the future. Premium leather upholstery, carbon fiber accents, ambient lighting, and a massive curved digital display seamlessly integrate luxury with cutting-edge technology. The latest iDrive system supports voice, gesture, and touch controls, while the Harman Kardon or optional Bowers & Wilkins Diamond sound system turns every drive into a concert hall. Comfort meets performance with ventilated M Sport seats, customizable driving modes, and advanced driver assistance features to make long drives effortless. BMW didn't just stop at looks and speed, they upgraded the entire driving experience. Adaptive M suspension, carbon ceramic brakes, and improved cooling systems ensure this machine can handle the track without breaking a sweat. Every detail is tuned for precision, from the exhaust note that roars with authority to the aerodynamic tweaks that reduce drag and increase downforce. And the big question, the price. The 2026 BMW M8 starts at around $145,000 for the coupe and stretches past $160,000 for fully loaded convertible models with all the facilities, premium packages, and performance add-ons. A bold price for a bold machine, but for those who want the perfect mix of power, luxury, and exclusivity, it's worth every penny. This new M8 proves BMW isn't playing around. It's a statement car, a flagship designed to remind the world what German engineering is all about: smooth, sophisticated, and savagely fast. That wraps up today's deep dive on the 2026 BMW M8. If you loved this breakdown and want more of the latest rides, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. This is Ride Reviews, thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next one.